Amazing. Wow. That was it's a smoothie. I thought it was gonna be like a juice. Blessed. It's a smoothie. Because I'm like, oh yes, the cucumber have a lot of water, so it may come out really. Very important recipe for you guys this morning. We're going to be using 2 kiwi, 1 lemon, some ginger, and 1 cucumber. I repeat, 2 kiwis, 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, roughly about a teaspoon of ginger if you're great at it. It's beautiful to have this in the morning. Just gonna pop everything into the blender as usual. Normally just straight to the blender. Very good drink to have. Kiwi have a lot of benefit, and mix them with something. It's gonna be working very perfect in the morning for another juice. Put 1 lemon also inside of it. That's going to be really good. Then we got the ginger, and then we have the amazing cucumber, which I love cucumber so much. So you want to mix the cucumber and the kiwi together. Very healthy juice with something where you can have in the morning. It's not every time you want to talk about mix this and flush out this and detox this and all sort of stuff. You wanted to simply showing people what you can do at home, like mixing these ingredients together, and it works really perfect. All right, let's put this aside. What you can also do, if you like to, you can put some water if you like to, but I think I'm gonna leave it as it is for now, and let's see what happened. Excellent. All right, let's see what happened. And we're gonna just make a little bit of a noise in the morning. Hopefully it's Sunday morning, my neighbor and no one know, like, Chef Ricardo start to cook already. It's good vibes. So let's blend this and see. Most of the morning I normally drink hot water or lukewarm water, whatever you want to call it. I start the day like this. Secondly, grab yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. This book is available on Amazon, where you guys can go over and grab yourself a copy of this book. Good vibes. Yeah. So here we go. And we're gonna simple pour it off right here. That's the kiwi and cucumber juice. Good vibes. I have some more kiwi, which I will be using probably tomorrow morning. Yeah, look at that. Amazing. Wow. That was, it's a smoothie. I thought it was gonna be like a juice. Blessed. It's a smoothie. Because I'm like, oh yes, the cucumber have a lot of water, so it may come out really like a juice. But it's a smoothie. It's pretty good. It's lovely. Yeah. Hope you guys would enjoy this one. Kiwi with cucumber, ginger, and lemon. Wow. That was fantastic. You know, squeeze some lemon in this water, right? Some lime. So this is a little bit of a warm water left back over. One been drinking all time. this morning. So I normally do this almost after every morning. Lime water with lime or lemon I use sometime. I just drink it first thing in the morning. Amazing. You're getting a good vitamin C. That's what you're getting from this. Lime water, first thing in the morning. On an empty stomach. Very good, guys. Okay. So this is what we just made. And yeah, what do you think? Should I drink it? Or should I just wait for a bit, then I drink it? Sometimes I'll wait for a little bit and then I drink it. So let me know what you guys think, man. Yeah, it's amazing to be in the kitchen to share this fantastic recipe. All right, let's go for it. It's amazing, perfect. This is perfect. Wow. Fantastic. Beautiful. Wow. Let's rinse it out. That was delicious. I really enjoy that one. So I drink cucumber when Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 5 days in a row. I've been drinking cucumber first thing in the morning. Wow, that is amazing. All right, I will catch up with you guys later on. Have a lovely day, stay blessed, and you guys can do the same thing at home by join me for free. You don't need to pay. All you have to do is get the ingredients. So have a great day, stay blessed. Lots of love from Chef Ricardo to you guys. Whatever you do today, man, just looking after yourself. Be blessed and be nice. Have a lovely day, and bye-bye for now.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Island flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather round the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love in every part. Coconut rice, so divine. Mango salsa, oh so fine. With every bite a happy sign. Taste Jamaican.